from where we are right now to get to Yard and Crew in Senai Ringgit. Once again, on behalf of BMW Eurokars, thank you very much for your kind participation today. Without you, all this would not have been possible.
Hi guys, Escapade from Eurokars here. Thank you all so much for taking time off your busy schedules to join us this early Saturday morning and spending the day with us. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, and on behalf of the entire team, thank you once again, and look forward for you guys to joining us for more drives. And thank you once again for driving the distance with Eurokars.